Home Minister Amit Shah landed at Kolkata airport yesterday evening for his two-day visit to Bengal. Initially, BJP President JP Nadda was scheduled to visit, but as per the BJP, he could not make it as he was campaigning in Bihar. However, political rumors suggest that the BJP is all out and already campaigning in Bengal for the 2021 elections, and the presence of Amit Shah would be a game changer in the campaigning and also shoot up the morale of the Bengal BJP leaders and party workers. On Thursday morning, Amit Shah flew down to Bankura, where he garlanded the statue of Birsa Munda. He then attended a convention at the Ravindra Bhavan.
Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhro Jyotsna Pulokito Jamini Fullo Kushumito Drumodolo Shobhini Shuhashini Shumadhura Bhasini Shukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Vande Mataram.
Later, he had a meal with an Adivasi family in their traditional style along with other BJP leaders. 3 years ago, Amit Shah had visited Naxalbari and had a meal with a local Adivasi family like today and told the family that the party was with them. But the BJP had done nothing for the family, who are very poor. Minister Gautam Deb had gone to the same family the day after Amit Shah had left and promised them a government job. The TMC took no chances, played their game just on the nick of time and kept their promise, though a little late. Geeta Mahali, in whose house Amit Shah had a meal 3 years ago, was officially inducted as a home guard at the Naxalbari police station today.
क्या क्या किया?
घर दिया, गैस दिया, नौकरी दिया।
नौकरी दिया। कैसे लग रहा है नौकरी मिले यार?
अच्छा लग रहा है।
The Jungle Mahal has been troubled territory for the TMC and took a lot of effort to win over. The BJP has been observing this and had brought in their best to deal with the situation. Home Minister Amit Shah. The BJP at the centre has its eyes wide open for Bengal and are taking no chances ahead of 2021 polls.
ममता सरकार ने चलाया है। मैं निश्चित रूप से देख रहा हूं कि ममता सरकार का मृत्युगंड बच चुका है। आने वाले दिनों में यहां भारतीय जनता पार्टी की 2/3 बहुमत की सरकार बनने जा रही है। मैं आज बंगाल की जनता को अपील करने आया हूं कि बंगाल एक सरहदी प्रांत है। देश की सुरक्षा बंगाल की आंतरिक सुरक्षा के साथ जुड़ी है। देश की सुरक्षा को सुनिश्चित करने के लिए, बंगाल के युवा को रोजगारी देने के लिए और बंगाल के गरीब लोगों को दारुण गरीबी से बाहर निकालने के लिए इस सरकार को उखाड़ कर फेंक दीजिए। एक मौका भारतीय जनता पार्टी को दीजिए। हम आने वाले दिनों में यहाँ पर सोनार बांग्ला की रचना करने के लिए।
The Siliguri Metropolitan Police in a tip-off arrested a father and daughter duo and recovered 900 grams of brown sugar from them in Matigara. The duo was arrested late Wednesday evening when they were trying to sell the drugs. Police are investigating the source of the drugs. The duo had arrived from Malda in a bus and had got down in Matigara. The accused were produced in a court on Thursday.
As per information, we went there, our police team went there and we intercepted 2 persons, namely Mahesh Mali, resident of Biswas Colony, and Aloka Begum, resident of Biswas Colony. And from their possession we got 2 packets of brown sugar, one weighing around 400 grams and one weighing around 500 grams. There is a seizure of about 2300 rupees from them. And as per their statement, they got this consignment from Malda, Murshidabad area. That will be confirmed after proper investigation.
A wild elephant came onto the state highway in Alipurduar and halted traffic for quite some time before it was driven back to the jungle. In another incident, a wild elephant calf was found dead in Devipara tea estate in Banarhat. Preliminary investigation by the wildlife squad suggested that the elephant had fallen into the ditch and suffocated to death in the mud when other elephants tried to rescue it. The body was taken for post-mortem by the squad.
Please like our Facebook page and do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to never miss the latest updates from News at 9.